Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Deel, manage global payroll and contracts step by step clearly. To log into Deel, begin by navigating to the Deel website in your preferred web browser. Once on the home page, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Deel account. Type in your email address carefully to avoid any typos. Next, you will need to enter your password in the designated field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. After entering your password, double-check both your email and password for accuracy. Once you have verified your login information, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Deel dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password and create a new one. After successfully logging in, you will have access to manage global payrolls and contracts. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout for easier navigation in the future. You can access various features such as payroll management, contractor onboarding, and contract templates directly from the dashboard. Make sure to log out securely when you finish to protect your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.